Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we will dive deep into the world of 3D printing and explore the best 3D printers for schools. The best 3D printer is used in any condition, from the classroom to the maker space. It must have an intuitive design, easy setup, and excellent print capabilities. We all know that a quality printer can make or break an artist's career, which is why it's important to choose the right one. To help you, we have spent countless hours researching, testing, and understanding the best 3D printers for schools. The output from these printers will be remarkable and make your students create unique projects with ease. We have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is 3D Printer X1 Carbon Multicolor Support Printer. The X1 Carbon Multicolor Support 3D printer is an excellent choice for schools looking for a high-quality 3D printer. Its cutting-edge LiDAR technology automatically detects the print quality of the first layer, making the printing process more efficient and reducing the need for manual adjustments. This feature is beneficial in a classroom setting where time is of the essence. Another advantage of the X1 Carbon is its ability to handle high-end consumables like carbon fiber reinforced nylon, ideal for printing solid and durable structural parts, and challenging, self-lubricating nylon, perfect for transmission parts. The printer also boasts a variety of plastic multi-material matrices, making it adaptable to various environments. Ease of use is also a significant benefit of the X1 Carbon. The printer comes fully assembled, debugged, calibrated, and tested, so you can start printing immediately. Its cloud printing capabilities allow printing from anywhere via LAN, WAN, or offline through an SD card. The X1 Carbon also has several print modes, including a silent way that reduces the acceleration and speed scale factor for a quieter printing experience. So if you buy the amazing 3D printer, check the link in the description box. Number 2 is official Creality Ender 3 Pro 3D printer. The official Creality Ender 3 Pro 3D printer is a top-of-the-line option for schools seeking a reliable, user-friendly, and versatile 3D printer. Boasting a removable build surface plate, this printer ensures that 3D models are easily removable after printing and that the build surface temperature remains consistent throughout the printing process. Safety is a priority, and the Ender 3 Pro includes a branded power supply that protects the printer from unexpected power surges. With the ability to heat the hotbed to 110 degrees Celsius in just 5 minutes, this printer is incredibly efficient, making it ideal for classroom use. Another noteworthy feature of the Ender 3 Pro is its ability to resume printing from the last recorded extruder position after a power outage. This function ensures that valuable time and effort invested in a project are not lost due to unforeseen circumstances. As a semi-assembled kit, the Ender 3 Pro provides a valuable learning opportunity for students. Assembling the printer allows them to gain a deeper understanding of the basic concepts of 3D printer construction, providing an engaging STEM educational experience in mechanical engineering and electronics. If you are interested in the official 3D printer, check the link in the description box to buy it. Number 3 is MakerBot Replicator Plus 3D printer. Get ready to take your classroom into the future with the MakerBot Replicator 3D printer. This is the perfect solution for schools that want to incorporate 3D printing technology into their curriculum. With its easy-to-use features, this printer is ideal for beginners and experts alike. One of the MakerBot Replicator Plus Education Edition's standout features is the IST-certified cloud-based MakerBot certification program, lesson plans, and a physical MakerBot educator's guidebook. This means that teachers can be confident in their ability to integrate 3D printing into their classrooms with the help of pre-designed lessons and resources. The MakerBot Smart Extruder Plus is also a highlight of this printer, providing dependable and consistent performance with superior results using MakerBot PLA material. Getting started and staying connected with intelligent technology, including an LCD, onboard camera, and USB, Ethernet, and Wi-Fi connections, is easy. The MakerBot ecosystem offers a variety of 3D printers, materials, and software to meet all your 3D printing needs. There is something for everyone, from the Method and Sketch series to the Replicator series 3D printers. So if you want to purchase this printer, check the link in the description box below. Number 4 is LOTMAXX Shark V3 3D printer. With the LOTMAXX Shark V3 3D printer, schools can take their creativity to the next level. This 3D printer offers a modular design that integrates 3D printing and laser engraving, making it suitable for DIY homeschool projects. It's compatible with PLA/PLA+/ABS flexible filaments, and when using laser engraving, you can carve on bamboo, ceramic tile, wood, leather, and craft paper. One of the best key features of the LOTMAXX Shark V3 is its smart G-sensor auto-leveling, which ensures more accurate leveling and higher detection sensitivity. It also offers ultra-fast cooling and supports night mode, making it an excellent option for printing in dark environments. Plus, it has an ultra-silent drive system, so you won't notice it printing in the background. Another great feature is the easy assembly process. With just a few screws, you can complete the assembly and start printing in 10 minutes. The LOTMAXX Shark V3 3D printer is an excellent option for schools looking to explore their creativity fun and engagingly. Its modular design, intelligent leveling, fast cooling, and silent drivers make it a standout choice for students and educators. If you are interested in the superb 3D printer, check out the link in the description box and purchase it. Number 5 is MakerBot Sketch Large Desktop 3D Printer. If you're looking for a reliable and user-friendly 3D printer to enhance your classroom experience, the MakerBot Sketch Large Desktop 3D Printer is the perfect solution. First, the Sketch comes with IST-certified online training, so you can be sure your teachers and students are well-equipped to get the most out of the printer. With over 15 hours of online curriculum and cloud-based project management, your students can unleash their creativity and bring their ideas to life quickly. Not only is the Sketch user-friendly and easy to operate, but it also boasts a reliable, tinker-free design. With an enclosed chamber, built-in particulate filters, and a heated, flexible build plate, this printer is perfect for classroom and home use. Plus, its intuitive touchscreen controls make navigation a breeze. And when it comes to 3D printing materials and software, MakerBot has you covered. The MakerBot ecosystem includes a range of 3D printers, materials, and software options, so you can find exactly what you need to bring your projects to life. If you want to buy the large desktop 3D printer, check the link in the description box to buy it. That's all from us in today's video. I hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printer for schools. If you like any of these best 3D printers, then check out the link provided in the description box below to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching. And please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more amazing upcoming videos.